Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how to leverage Zeely's templates effectively for building email campaigns that stand out and convert, whether you're promoting products or engaging subscribers. Understanding how Zeely simplifies the process can help you build campaigns faster with a more professional touch. To start, open the Zeely app and navigate to the Templates section. Here, you'll find a wide range of pre-built email designs created for different marketing goals, product launches, sales, announcements, and more. Browse the categories or use the search bar to quickly find a layout that fits your campaign type. Once you find one you like, tap on it to begin customizing. Zeely's template editor is built to be straightforward. You can tap any section to edit text, replace images, and adjust colors to match your brand. Key elements like headers, product blocks, call to action buttons, and social links are already in place. You just need to personalize the content. You can also rearrange blocks or delete sections if you want a more streamlined look. One of Zeely's most useful features is the integration with your product catalog or business page. If you've already added your business info to the app, Zeely can automatically pull in your logos, product images, and descriptions to save time. This helps keep your branding consistent across every campaign and eliminates repetitive manual entry. Once your email looks the way you want, preview it on both desktop and mobile views to make sure everything aligns well. Then, click on the Send or Schedule button. Zeely lets you send emails right away or pick a future time. You can also select a target list if you've set up segments, giving you control over who receives what and when. Zeely simplifies the technical side of email marketing, so you can focus on the message. With templates that are already optimized for readability and conversion, you won't need to design from scratch or worry about formatting errors. It's a great tool if you want to maintain a professional image without spending hours in design tools. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.